on Friday, and I know none of you, hey, knock it off! I know none of you have studied, since you're so easily distracted. I made some visual aids to knock it off! Made some visual aids to help us get through. This first problem is we're going to find the area of the circle. Hey! That's it! Oh, I guess you guys are genius. I'll just get out the next visual aid. All right. So let's, hey, come on, guys. I'm trying to teach math is serious stuff. Let's say the Eiffel Tower, not the Eiffel Tower. The Empire State Building is 103. Knock it off. All right, fine. I guess I'll move to I'll just go to the next visual aid. All right. So if a gorilla mates with another gorilla, come on, kids! And they fall in love together, and one gorilla said to the other one, they both want a banana, but they only have one banana. What are they gonna do? All right, okay. Guess I'll knock it off. No more banana. That's it.
What's going on in here?
Principal Ann. Nothing's going on. We're just, I'm just teaching them about math and stuff, and folding paper, and angles, and trajectory.
I see. I trust these are for teaching purposes?
Absolutely.
Good. I would hate it if the students were misbehaving.
Wait! No! Ann! Ah!
No, don't put me down! I'll kill you!
Well, Dunham. Looks like the airplane's got him.
No, wasn't the airplane. 'Twas beauty killed the beast.